Music is like my whole world. It feels like it's my purpose. I've always wanted to have advice from somebody who's on the inside and who's had a lot more experience than I have. I want to learn how to take that next step in my music career. I really want to put lots of effort into it and try to get to as far as I can. So I'm just getting ready for the old pack house markets in Kerikeri. Jordyn's been a really big inspiration of mine. I'm just excited because I just love her music. I love everything about her, and it's a cool kaupapa, and I'm hoping to learn a lot of stuff from her over the weekend and just make heaps of memories.
So, kei te haere tātou ki Kerikeri, and ka tūtaki ia Pēowhairangi ki reira. And so yeah, I'm pretty excited to get to meet one of our young talents. Ko tētahi o ngā haipapa e rongo nei ahau. Ko te whakahihiri pēr, ko te whakatō i ngā kākano I roto I ngā rangatahi kia whakatena kia aki I a rātou. Find you love that makes you warm inside, that you can't hide from. I mua I tō maua tūtakinga, nā kua kitea hau I aia I runga I te TikTok, I runga I te pai āhua anō hoki. I tino hikaka hau ki te tūtaki I aia. Kia ora!
Hello. Oh, sorry, I can't move far.
Oh my gosh, I've been so excited to meet you.
You're so long.
Wow, I'm so impressed. You're an incredible singer.
Thank you. I was expecting to feel overwhelmed because of how big she is, but because of her nature, it was just kind of like seeing an old friend again, I guess. Well, I'm here to tell you that I'm okay.
Te nuinga o ngā taiohi e mohio nei au, ka tino rongo rātou I te whakamā, o hera I te whakamā engari te rapia ko te āwangawanga, ko te āmaimai. Yeah, I tino miharo te kite atu I a Pēowhairangi, ka tū noa ki te Waiata, miharo.
Whenever I go to the market, I always wonder how much better it would sound if I had a second voice. Jordyn, when she was singing with me, she brought that vision of mine to life. It was really fun, and I love a good jam. It's just me getting stronger. Thank you.
Ka tino rongo ahau. I te wairua pai, ska humari e, kua roa te wā ki au ka tū me te tuku Waiata noa. Shut up for letting me sing along.
Oh,
that was so fun.
That was so fun.
Yeah, that was cool.
Yay.
3 hours is ages though. Like, does it hurt your throat when you're singing?
It hurts my fingers because I'm playing guitar, but that's why the karaoke is there.
There's a little reprieve.
Yeah.
All of our stuff up and then go back and have a little jam.
A little jam. Oh. How would you like it to sound, or do you just want me to jam?
Yeah, just jam.
Okay.
Until you find something that you're like, this is me. I like this combo. That's nice.
Yeah, it is.
Play those first two chords again. That was nice. And then go back to the first one. And then like.
The plan was to get a vibe of the song first, so we just made a quick little chord progression.
If you don't like something, honestly, we just change.
Okay.
We don't have to, even if we get halfway through and you're like, I don't like it anymore, we're like, sweet ass, let's start again.
Okay.
It's very, very chill.
Yeah.
Well, something that I like to do is just like writing without even judging at all. Just write for like 2 minutes.
Okay.
Not thinking about whether it's good or bad. It just is like write, and then we'll see what stands out.
Okay, I can do that.
And we'll both do it, so we're both in it together. That's nice. All right, I'll put my 2-minute timer on, yeah?
Okay.
Let's go.
I feel like when I write songs, I find it hard to set them up all in order in my head because I've just got so many coming in at the same time. So I liked her idea of just getting it all out on paper. So it's like trying my best to keep up keeps me questioning why I sometimes have the harder side. People always seem to be going at a faster pace. It's almost like my shoes are tied.
I love that.
We started off with that kind of idea, and it kind of shifted into that maybe it should be about learning how to take your time and being rite ki ngā manu. The birds just fly, do everything on their own time. Always know how to take a pause.
Love.
Whatever this is, could either just be an intro if we can't figure out a melody.
Yeah.
Or, if we can, a verse. Because I
Nice.
feel like it's too nice to be a chorus.
It is. It's very
Yeah.
pretty. Yeah. It's
Yeah.
like an intro vibe.
Yeah.
Patience.
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 No need to hide.
That's nice. It's like she paints the picture for you to feel rather than telling you exactly, directly what to feel. I think, yeah, he pūkanga nui tērā I roto I te ao tito Waiata.
I haven't written a song in forever, so to be writing one with an experienced artist and seeing it just form, it was real, like, it gave me goosebumps. I want to increase my skills in trying to learn how to write music, but also learn how to put myself out there.
For sure.
Yeah.
I feel like you're kind of already doing that, by the way, like online,
Yeah.
using what you've got access to.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, when you are very talented, when you're good at what you do, you've got these people that love your voice, they love listening to you sing. And that's that's the pool of people that you then start to write for. You're like,
Yeah.
cool. And as long as you're happy with it,
Yeah.
like, as you meet people along the way, you know in your puku, like no one has to really tell you. You just know like, oh yeah, this is good people's, this is not good people's. Kua tai te a pōpō. Koia. Nā, kei reira te kōrero ne, ko ngā rangatahi, ngā rangatira mō a pōpō. O kua tai te a pōpō, ko rātou ke ngā rangatira.
She was really easy to talk to. She just made it a lot easier for me to understand and allow me to reach out to her despite what she's got on. It meant a lot to me. I feel like I've just learnt so much and overall experience was great. Yes.